Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Studio Lite wired headphones. On the top left of the package, we can see the pTron branding. Underneath that, on the bottom left, we can see the Studio Lite branding. Right on the bottom, we have a description of the product, which is basically hi-fi over-ear wired headphones. In the middle, we have an image of the product. On the right-hand side of the package and on the left-hand side of the package, we can see the pTron Studio Lite branding. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back of the package are where some of the key specifications and features are. So let's go through the specifications first. The connectivity type is wired. The driver size is 40 mm. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The speaker impedance is 32 ohms. The speaker sensitivity is 110 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels. The mic sensitivity is minus 45 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels once again. The connecting interface is a 3.5 mm audio jack. The cable length is 1.3 meters. We have the features right here, which include hi-fi sound, ergonomic design, volume control wheel, adjustable mic, and extendable headband. Below that, we can see the various color options that the headphones are available in. And here we have a sticker that shows which version we have. As we can see, we have the black and gray variant. Apart from that, we have a couple of barcodes, and on the bottom left, we have a few of the manufacturing and importing information. On the bottom of all of that information, we have the customer care details, which are in the form of a couple of phone numbers and the support email address. That's about it on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. In the box, we get some literature in the form of a thank you note. Behind that, we have the warranty information and the QR code, which will lead you to the page that will help you register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next, we have an instruction manual. This should help you get started with understanding the functions and the wheel and the microphone of the headphones and help you get started off with using them. Coming to the headphones themselves, we can see the black and gray theme going for it. There's gray underneath the headband, and there's some gray accents on the ear cups as well. The ear pads are black in color and they are pretty soft. The headphones have a grainy black finish almost all the way across, except on the ear cups right here, where there is some glossy swirling patterns. We can see some pTron banding underneath the microphone on each side, and the microphone itself has about 120 degrees of rotation. We also have the volume control wheel on the left ear cup. The headband is quite sturdy, but it is also quite flexible. As you can see, it can be extended to fit a number of head sizes, and the inside is made from a plastic band. Coming to the cable, we already know that it is a 1.3 meter long cable, and the interface type is the 3.5 mm audio jack. It is of the TRRS kind. All you need to start using these headphones is a compatible device. Any device that supports a 3.5 mm jack can be used. All you need to do is plug it in, and that enables you to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the pTron Studio Lite wired headphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.